Good morning, people of YouTube, lovers of TI22 and of amazing black Porsches. As you'll have probably seen by the title of this one, this is quite an interesting job. This car is a beautiful 991.1. If you've been watching my Instagram stories, you'll know I got that wrong because I was thinking about too many things at once. This is a 991.1 GTS, so the last of the normally aspirated cars, which a good customer of ours bought back in the middle of last year. You probably will see it if you pop back onto my Instagram, you'll see it. We at that time did a very common package, which was front end and sort of what they call track pack. So front end, sills, we replaced the factory panel in front of the rear wheel and it goes higher than that, all the way along the sills, mirrors. I always do the A-pillars on stuff now because we see those chipping a lot. So we did all of that off and polished it and ceramic coated it. We did all of that, off our customer went to an experience day at Silverstone, to the Porsche Centre at Silverstone. And on the way there, a builder's truck was going the other way. A brick fell off the back of it, skipped down the road. You can guess what's coming. Skipped all the way up the bonnet, smashed the screen. Did mark the bonnet. So, you know, PPF is designed to resist rock chips and scratches and all the damage that the world can throw at these things. But I would say a quarter of a brick is out of limits of what it's designed for. However, we had a result, which was really cool. So we pulled the film off. There was a tiny bit of damage in the clear coat, which pretty much 98% polished out. My dent man was able to get the dent out. I'll put some pictures in over the top of this actually, if I can find some. I've got a picture when we initially saw it where big in the bonnet and the smashed screen. So with any luck, if I can find that picture, you'll see a smashed screen picture now. And then I've got a picture of the dent and the damage in the PPF. And then obviously now, well in a minute, I'll walk you around and we can have a closer look. So yeah, just wanted to show you, what is achievable with PPF, really. Oh, my camera's stopped swinging. Never mind. I can still talk and that's all, but please forgive the fact that the camera's not moving anymore. While we're talking about camera work, though, don't forget to give us a subscribe and a share and a like if you're not already. It helps the YouTube algorithm, as they say. If you're enjoying this, give us a click. Helps the YouTube algorithm find me and find other things, and it shows people who like this stuff. And if you don't like this stuff and you don't want to click on those things, write down in the comments how else I could have filmed this so that you would have preferred it. Less waffle, I think, probably is the thing. So I'll put a thing down in the comments about when the walk around starts, because that's what a lot of you like. So yeah, anyway, I'm not going to say a lot more, really. So what we did, obviously, once the dent was popped out, we renewed the PPF in our wonderful new booth. We renewed the PPF on the bonnet, and she's now back as good as new, avoiding paint. We did have, at one point, we thought it was going to have to go for paint anyway. And we did get a quote from our good independent body shop for the paint. So the paint work was going to cost 900 quid plus VAT to paint the bonnet, blend into the wings, because paint shops can never seem to match colours these days. Paint the bonnet, blend into the wings, and then of course we would have to re-PPF it. So we've saved the customer 1,100 quid plus VAT, which, is a significant proportion of the initial job. So good investment. There's something just out of sight there that we're just finishing off this week, so can't wait to show you that later on. Probably film that tomorrow, actually. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much more because you hate me waffling on. You just want to see a beautiful black Porsche in our beautiful booth, and you want to see if you can spot the dent, don't you? But you can't because it's gone. So yeah, love you all very much. Thank you for watching again, and do keep an eye out on the next one because there is a super rare Aston Martin coming up. But thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will now pick you up, fire some music in, and give you a little bit of a walk around because we've recoated it, repolished it, recoated it. It's been to a couple of body shops and it's been around and about since we saw it last, so it's basically as good as we can get it again now. So I've got a couple of bits of finishing off, so do forgive me the fact there's a couple of spots on the windows. Customers coming for this afternoon, so I've just got a bit of cleaning up to do on the windows, a few little bits. So do forgive me any little bits you'll see like that. It won't be going out the door like that. So thanks very much for watching. Let's get on with music and black shiny Porsches.